To learn English with pleasure and confidence, you need to read big with stories at the right level. What is the right level? Well, you need to know about 98% of the words in a story. The Smart Feedback System at ReadOasis.com helps you read at the right level. So after you sign in, find a story that you want to read. So here's a good story. It's called Life as Story Step 2. You can see the levels of the story below the title. This is a Sefer B1 Intermediate, and it also says Step 2 here. On a PC or tablet, click or tap on words that you don't know. You will see the words you don't know appear in the Smart Feedback box on the right. On a smartphone, just tap on the words you don't know. To see the Smart Feedback box, just click on the book icon. When you finish reading the story, click Check My Level. You will receive a message. If the story is too easy, ReadOasis will recommend a higher level. If the story is too hard, ReadOasis will recommend an easier level. If the story is just right, ReadOasis will tell you so. Try to read mini stories at your level. When you know about 100% of the words in a level, move up to the next level. Remember, smart English learners read big and at the right level at ReadOasis.com.